Yes, please. So I almost gave up. I asked if anybody nobody have question. Almost gave up. Go ahead, please.
About the bread, you said that Pas Israel is made by Jews, right? 100%. What about they sell the bread that says OU, but it's not Pas Israel? Is this allowed to eat? Or
Yes, it's allowed to. Yeah. Okay. So to answer your question, we have to step back a little and see what Shulchan Aruch says in introduction to this laws, right? And Shulchan Aruch said that it's all of the Pas Israel and all of the foods cooked by non-Jews, they were introduced by our rabbis. Why? Right? So in these great people, great minds, in their vision, they say if we allow to eat the bread from my neighbor, right, Jewish neighbor, not Jewish neighbor, guess what? They're going to get intermarried. That's how intermarriage starts, right? As today people meet each other on the street, right? But in olden days, so they would come together, family come to one family, and of course, men would not speak to the strange women, women would not speak to the strange men on the street, right? But they would come together, family, please come, we have celebration, we have our Christine gave birth to little Chris, so please come over and we're going to celebrate with your Jewish neighbor. We respect you very much, you're religious, all of these compliments, and you come, you eat this bread, and guess what? That's how intermarriage starts. So he said, actually, I have a younger daughter, and your son, your Yossi, unbelievable character. Unbelievable. They don't make today like this, like you, Yossi. So why don't you, Yossi, marry my younger daughter? So what is the problem, right? People do l'chaim, and they say maybe it's a good idea. Yossi, do we mind? Yossi, okay. So okay, father say we marry. So that's the prohibition of the bread, right? Meaning that's why Chazal said it is forbidden to eat.
But both breads are kosher.
1 second. No, 1 second. If you let me answer. I didn't finish. Please.
Sorry.
No problem. Okay, so our sages say, okay, they in a great vision, we say you start eating their food, you're going to get together and party together, and you're over. The Jewish nation is over, right? But this OU bread, it's not baked by like an individual baker that he would do the dough like manual, like only then. No. Right, you're never going to meet this individual baker. What they do, it's like a process, like conveyor, right? In a factory, like there is no man. Maybe like he would come and supervise it. It's not flour, enough water, and stuff like that. That's it. Watch the computer, watch the cameras. So in this case, since all of the ingredients that go there are kosher, and they're supervised by OU, Orthodox Union of United States, no problem. So you can eat. Is it the best bread to eat? Not. But is it kosher? 100%. That's the answer. Go ahead. Next question.
So on Shabbat, what is the best bread to eat? I guess Pas Israel.
I mean, if it's possible for the best bread to eat, as we learn in our different class, laws of Shabbos, we said if woman can bake the bread, it would be the best. But if she cannot, so you can buy the bread. Any kosher bread is good. The best, of course, to bake your own bread. So why? I mean, if somebody have like a time, so because you show the respect of Shabbat, that I do everything manually. Like you can buy. I give you a different example. You can buy this what is it? On Hanukkah especially, right? You have I buy this capsules with the oil, right? Like you just break the capsule and then you light and everything like nice and clean and done. But I also just say no, get dirty, get your hands dirty. Like put the cap, pour the oil, make the wick or buy the wick and put the wick in. So do more. So it shows that you care about the mitzvah. Show that you have a love for the mitzvah. That's what it is. So when people do not care, they try to get rid of things as soon as possible. Okay, that's the thing. So one more time, OU bread or K bread or like all different kind of breads, they're kosher. If you need to verify some kashrut symbols, you can send it to me. I can tell you. It's a long story. Okay, but that's the reason. So if it's kosher stamp, meaning that not kosher ingredients. That's what it means, and made by a machine. Okay, so you're not going to go to the factory and marry who? The manager? Okay, so that's the thing. Okay. Any other questions before we continue? Go ahead.
Rabbi,
Yes.
I have a question. So, what you're saying is, if it's possible to keep halav Yisrael and patz Yisrael, one of the highest kosher food consumption. Is that what you're saying?
Yes.
If you can, it's possible.
Okay, so here's the thing. So about Pas Israel. Pas Israel bread baked by a Jew. So if you're a Jew, your wife bakes bread. So it is Pas Israel. So you don't have to overpay. So if you bake at home, there is no problem. That's already Pas Israel. Especially when you live in a place where it's not so easy to get. Right? So nuts like if you away like a little to the side from the main Jewish community. I mean, I don't know. Usually a Jew should not live outside of Jewish community. Like, why would you live? So you like for example, we went to Florida like many years ago, and we went to a super. Of course, we would not buy like fresh meat. Like we were on vacation, nobody would do that. But we saw the prices. So the prices, like in Florida, well, maybe 30% or 40% more than we pay here, and it was not as fresh. What do we pay? Just and I don't know. It was that supermarket or different. I don't know. We pay much less for a better quality. Okay, so it's better to it's proper for you to use to live in a Jewish community, so you have access to the food. Then if you have a Orthodox community, of course, the many products would be the skemach yashan, meaning the old flour, if you want. Again, not strictly required, but if you want. Same is halaf Israel, right? Halaf Israel. Some say it's some people very like. They push in this halaf Israel. It's like especially Chabad, right? If you don't don't drink halaf Israel, it's like you're almost like idol worshippers, right? So a little overboard, right? Which is not true. Okay. But on another hand, when we tell them about the wigs that they're from Avodah Zarah, they say it's not a problem. Milk it's like they're not going to see the. Oh, you don't eat drink halaf Israel. It's like, oh, what are you, Jewish? You understand?